Yeah,
Is this the biggest thing you ever saw?
massive.
Ernest, look how much. Oh my God.
Oh, give me that one, Lave, so you will not lost.
Let me step. No worries. I'm holding on. I'm going to that, but
Ha-
guys, today I'm going to climb this. I hope I don't die.
Really? Gago.
The big tree, Mom.
Yeah, I know.
Made from a flipping giant.
Look, this crazy.
That's a step. That's made from a giant.
Oh, from the giant.
Where's a
Ah,
giant one? I don't want to die yet.
okay, go up. We'll see.
Are you gonna?
I'm not going down.
It's in the middle only.
I'm not dying yet.
Oh,
I'm not going to die. Don't worry. I'm not going to risk that for my life. Mom, where's my stick? Here. Where? Well, Ernest, why do you have my stick? I'm coming. Mom, that was probably the biggest thing I ever climbed.
it will be good if you finish there until the top.
No.
Ernest, go find some of your stick also.
You stay away from the water, please.
There's no fish here, Sally. Okay, stand up there, three of you. Stand up with Daddy. I will take a picture. Ernest, go with Daddy.
You want to take a picture with that tree in the background?
Okay, go.
Come this side. Come this side. Come here.
Okay.
Very serious person.
Yeah. Look at Ernest. Ernest, can I take your pose? Bilat, chingalik nga pose na Ernest. So. Emmett, go to your daddy. That's massive tree I want to capture. So you will not forget where you are. That's nice. Wow, massive tree.